Last night we showed you this video of an Orange Park man hitting and appearing to choke his dog. That sparked outrage among some of his neighborhood and many of you online. Well, tonight, First Coast News is hearing his side of the story.
Brittany Dion spoke exclusively with the man's attorney, who says that the public has not heard all of the facts. She has more now.
Looking at the video is not what it appears to be.
It's not what it's said to be.
Jacksonville criminal defense attorney Lee Lockett represents Matthew Tanner Long, the man seen in this video.
He's beating up a puppy. What does he say to that?
Well, if you take a look at the video, what we're seeing is, we hear a lot about this choking event. There's no choking of the dog.
What was he doing? Because it looks like he was choking him.
Yeah. Well, people I can see how people can see it that way. You certainly see him picking up the dog. He holds the dog by the neck. But when we think about choking, we see people choking people, moving their hands, moving their head. You don't see that in this case.
The video was leaked on Facebook in March. Long was subsequently cited for animal cruelty, and Fiona was removed from his home. A judge then ordered Long to pay a $1,000 fine and take anger management and obedience classes before the puppy was returned. There was an outcry from the community claiming Long got off with a slap on the wrist. Lockett says the ruling was fair.
Mr. Long had never been in trouble with the law before. He'd never been arrested, never had any complaints about animal cruelty issues lobbied against him. He's 20 years old. He's young.
And regrets his actions, according to Lockett, who says Long simply lost his temper when the puppy had an accident inside of the house.
He loves Fiona. He always has. He never has any ill will towards Fiona. He's not one of these owners that we always hear about that beat their animals primarily because they hate their animals. Mr. Long was emotional at the hearing and assured the court that he loves Fiona.
Now, Lockett says that the puppy Fiona is back in Long's care. He says that before Long could get Fiona back, he had to complete all of his classes as well as pay that $1,000 fine. He says that Fiona is doing well and she is in good health. He says that Long has certainly learned his lesson from all of this. Reporting live, I'm Brittany Dion, First Coast News.
Brittany, thank you.